back to my channel. Today I'm bringing another amazing head wrap for us. So we're going to be learning together on this space. So get your material. I want you to get your material, okay? Get your gele material. It's this one, if you have a short material, a very small material, I mean, that you've abandoned because it is short, please go get it, because we're going to do something with it today. Even if you have a very lengthy one, the one that is big, you can get it. Let's try this together. We can also do it, okay? So let's get them and get ready for this tutorial. It's gonna be very simple and lovable. Trust your girl, okay? So you're going to do me one thing now. Just click on that subscribe button on YouTube if you are watching me on YouTube, and if you are watching me on Facebook, just click on follow button. That's all. No harm, no charges, nothing. Just click on the like button. Like this video, share this video, okay? And leave your comments. You know, I used to tell you that I like feedback. Just tell me, do you like it? There is room for correction. Okay, why don't you do it this way? I like it, I like it, I like it. So just inspire me by commenting, liking, following, and subscribing to my channel, guys. So I don't want to waste much of our time because the tutorial is very short anyways. You're gonna love it, I guess. So let's get started, okay? So guys, here's the material, okay? Here's the material we are using. So you just get it. You can see the length is not lengthy at all. It's very small. But if you have a very lengthy one, you can also try this, okay? So what am I doing? I'm folding like this. Can we see? Just a bit like this in, okay? Then you go like this. You go like this. I know we are familiar with this. If you watch my video very well, I've done things like this. But if you are seeing this for the first time, just do it the way I'm doing it. Sorry for that. So like this, okay? Then what I'm trying to create is fan-like shape like this. So what I'm doing again is to grab it up with my rubber band. When you grab it with rubber band, make sure it is firm, okay? So leave a little bit space. Leave this place, don't go there. So come down here, turn it back like this. Can we see what I did? Turn it back in like this. Straighten this up again. Then let's go. We go again. Let's go. Go, 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 shorty. Yeah. Okay. And the next thing here too is to secure with your band. So my people, I've grabbed it as well with my rubber band. So this is what I have. Can you see what I have? So you can see this is small. If you see what will I use this to do? Let's go. Just take it, place on your head, okay? Place it on your head like this. Watch me do my thing, okay? Place it on your head like that. Let me do this, okay? I've arranged this properly. Yeah, so this, just like this, okay? Tighten it up to your taste and pick your rubber band. This is it. Then you're gonna band it down. Are we cleared? So see me with this. Guess what? You can leave it like this, and you can decide to, put it in. You can decide to put it in like that. Then we are back here. Just come. Even mere looking at it, we can, if you like this, You can leave it like this. You can leave it like this. Okay. Ooh. You can leave it this way. You can leave it this way. Nowhere to pin anything here, so you just stretch it out. Nowhere to pin, so you just stretch it out, then just stretch out. And here is it. Here is one design. Can leave it like this. Okay, can leave it like this. Good to go, right? See the back. See the back. Okay, so we're good. To that party, to that party, to that party. See, just bring them together like this. Okay, you put your pin to secure it. Use your office pin to secure it. Okay, like this. It stands, right? Then you can leave it like this. Let it be like this. Let it be like this. We are good to go. You are good to go. Then if you have the big branch, you just add it for beautification. Just add it. This is too small, but in case you have big one, guys, let's detach this one now. Okay, you remove it, you scatter it again, and you still bring it like this, and bring this like this, and put it like this. Okay, you pin down this, pin it down. Yes, like this. And to the other side too, you pin it down too. Pin it down as well. Yeah, baby girl. Yeah, see, here is it, guys. Have I really spoken? So you can have this big one as well. You can take it to sideways. Okay, center, halfway like this, and you are rocking it out. Okay, so lastly, I'll still add this to it. Let me add it, and here is it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe and subscribe and subscribe.